After playing 1-1 away, and then today you play another, 0-0 against your rivals TUT.
Yeah.
Your summation 90 minutes today.
Well, first half I felt like we started very slow, and then I gave the first half to TUT because of their coming strong to us. But I realized that second half fatigue will get the best out of them. Hence, I've managed to hold on that we get a point. But normally, when you are home, you have to use your home advantage. And also the other thing is that we've been out for 3 weeks not playing, and then them coming from varsity, they still have that, So yeah, I think second half we did very well in a sense that we managed to create a lot of chances. We scored a goal, it was an offside, but for me, where I was sitting, it looked like a legitimate goal. So, but what can you say? It's part of the game.
Yeah, I saw Tembelihle, just number 45. When I analyzed her, I thought she was a bit slow in some moments. I don't know how you viewed her performance today.
No, remember she's coming back from an injury, and it's for the first time as well. She's playing an intensity game, and then she managed to push to 70 minutes. So I just wanted to see her how she can cope with the game. Hence, after 70 minutes, I took her out and put Machaka in and Mpongadimen inside. So
yeah, and the chances the second half, to be honest, Coach Maud, they came very handy to you. Just that maybe, a little bit of luck there and there, because especially at 90 minutes, I saw you created a lot of chances.
Yeah, it's true, because of Mpongadimen is very creative and she understands how we play, and I also like her because of she's very, very mobile. Even Machaka up there, she's very aggressive in terms of defending from the goalkeeper there. So yeah, but the other thing is that I know that Mpongadimen defensively she's not spot on, so I wanted to balance the team. Hence, I've managed to keep other players in, not putting her earlier, because Isabella was struggling, but off the ball she was doing very well.
Yeah, and then Coach, lastly, you're playing away to Richmond. Surely maybe it will be a different ball game.
It will be a different ball game, given the fact that we are playing on the AstroTurf, and then there's the smallest pitch. So it's more of us being mobile and moving the ball quicker in terms of like we are playing indoor soccer. Because last season we went there and then we were the first team to beat them home. And then this season they came home, we beat them again. So it's going to be a different ball game as well. Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, sure.